Today we're making Christi style mango tart. You're gonna need 4 to 6 mangoes, 2 cups white whole wheat flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons butter or Smart Balance, 1 cup of water, half cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 cinnamon stick, 1½ cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Let's get started. Make sure you wash and peel your mangoes. Mangoes prevent cancer, lowers cholesterol, clears your skin, improves your eye health, alkalizes your whole body, promotes a healthy sex life, and improve your digestion. Won't you have a mango today? Now you're gonna slice your mangoes into little pieces. Our mango is ready to get on the stove. Add your pieces in a pot with the granulated sugar and the cinnamon. Keep your mango on a medium heat for half an hour. Stir occasionally. While your mango is stewing on the stove, let's get your dough ready. Add in your flour, baking powder, your teaspoon of salt, your 2 tablespoons of butter, half cup of olive oil, gradually add in your water, mix well. Our dough is ready. We're gonna set this aside with a damp paper towel on top for about 20 minutes. Our mango stew is boiling up nicely. Let's add in our tablespoon of vanilla. Mix well. 10 more minutes and we'll be ready. Our mango stew is ready. Turn your stove off and let it cool for about 20 minutes before you pack it into your dough. Our dough is ready to make our mango tart. So we're gonna be making 12. So separate your dough into 12 pieces. Get your rolling pin ready. Have a bowl with some water and a fork to seal your dough and some flour to help roll your dough out. Roll into small balls. Let's get your dough ready to get rolled with the rolling pin. Make sure you have your baking pans greased and your oven preheated at 375. Add a tablespoon and a half in. Use some water to seal your dough. Fold. Use a fork to help to seal. Our mango tart is ready to go into the oven. We're gonna use some water to moisten the crust on top and a toothpick to make some holes. Put in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. 375. The mango tart's out the oven. It's delicious, scrumdiddly-umptious. You are sure to enjoy.